First thing, just as you come in the door, look at this, like a huge winter garden. How cool is that before you even get to the reception? Most unusual. It's pretty high up and it's so secluded. I mean, it's an amazing place for rest and relaxation. You've just got to find the little gaps, the little footpath, and it winds its way up there somehow. Now you might be wondering just why this place is so remote. Well, I mean, that's the whole idea of the sanatoriums. And even today, the sanatorium offers a discount for workers at one of the factories that it's teamed up with. Here's a first view of the sanatorium itself. This style was very popular in the early to middle stages of Stalin's time, before he sort of started copying the American skyscrapers with the Seven Sisters in Moscow and what have you. Enjoy the view. So everything you're seeing really, I guess, including these railings, and that statue there is original 1940s. Okay, I mean, the statue may have been added in the 50s or whatever, but you can quite clearly see that it's not exactly new, but well done them for keeping it. Now, a lot of people who are leaving reviews about this place, you know, on online sites and that, they're basically all saying, yeah, it's really cool, but most of them are all saying it really needs a renovation. Now, yeah, okay, I'm not going to deny that, but it's just a shame that everything always gets renovated. You know, it's cool to have stuff like this still functioning, because most things from the 1940s or around that time, they either have become dilapidated, they're empty, and now they've been taken over and they're like there's graffiti, or they're destroyed, and you know, you can't even access them half the time for safety reasons. They're closed off because they're not safe anymore. Or they go the other way and completely renovate them and swank them up, and then they lose all their character from the time. So I say, you know, yeah, sure, it's basic and simple, but look, let's just revel in that and enjoy that. It's a piece of cultural heritage after all, right? Now, I entered sort of the rather wild way, but these steps have been created for the guests of the sanatorium to head down to the river level. Of course, times were different then. You know, people were happy to just sit on a bench in nature and read a book or a newspaper. So the further down you go, the slightly more dilapidated it gets, but you know, so what? Alright, so eventually you come down to the ground level here if you want to do some fishing. And of course, in the summer months, sunbathing, swimming in the river, that's all fair game. Inspecting these railings here really gives you an idea of how the freezing temperatures here over time just wears away the concrete. Really here, I mean, it's all about the location really, isn't it? Set in the forest. First thing, just as you come in the door, look at this, like a huge winter garden. How cool is that before you even get to the reception? Most unusual. Now look at this thing on the staircase, this is really cool. This is made from local marble. At the time as well. Fantastic piece of art.